In 2019, Pakistan faced off with India in the skies over Balakot and swiftly retaliated. The world watched as fighter jets danced on the edge of war, but in 2025 the game changed completely. After Balakot, Pakistan thought it understood how the next fight would unfold. The Pakistan Air Force had upgraded its arsenal long-range air-to-air missiles, powerful surface-to-air systems, and a digital fortress of electronic warfare. Their doctrine was clear: intercept the Indian Air Force while it was still inside Indian airspace. They even had a name for their planned defense: from the front, strike deep if needed. But when conflict came again, this time in May 2025, India brought a very different kind of war. No roaring fighter jets, no aerial dogfights. Instead, India leaned heavily on loitering munitions, drone-like weapons that hover, hunt, and strike, and one true game-changer, the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. Launched from inside Indian territory, the BrahMos raced across the border, targeting Pakistan's air bases before its jets could even take off. Even Pakistan's key interior bases like Shahbaz were struck. The satellite images did the talking. Pakistan had invested in Chinese-made air defense system, the HQ-9BE. HQ-16 powerful in theory but built for China's vast territory. In Pakistan's tighter geography, they had less room to react, and against the speed of BrahMos, almost no time at all. Worse still, Pakistan lacked the kind of real-time surveillance and satellite intelligence that India had. While India could show damage proof, Pakistan had to rely on statements. Pakistan also designed advanced loitering munitions but didn't have the production capacity to deploy them at scale. India did. At the end of this short but sharp conflict, India held the momentum. Its use of unmanned systems and missiles, not manned jets, caught Pakistan off guard. Neither country disclosed losses, but the message was clear. The air war of the future is not just about pilots, it's about precision, production, and preparation. So what must Pakistan learn? 1. Modern wars require modern ISR satellites, drones, AI-driven tracking. 1. Designing a weapon is not enough, you must mass produce it. 1. Air defense needs to match your geography. 1. Integration across Army, Navy, and Air Force is no longer optional, it's survival. This was the fight Pakistan expected versus the one it got. As India redefines regional warfare, Pakistan must adapt not just with new weapons, but with a whole new doctrine. In the wars of tomorrow, surprise is the deadliest weapon of all. If you found this breakdown insightful, like, subscribe, and join us as we explore the future of conflict, defense, and geopolitics. This is Knowledge Suitcase.